Munam here, and today I'm gonna play with this robot, and his name is AT. So let's start. First time we're gonna unbox him. I'm just gonna face it towards this box. Yes, stuck or something. There. And here he is. Now we're gonna have to put in 3 small batteries. Now we're gonna put in the batteries and now put it back. And before we start it, first we gotta put the screw in. Now let's start it. It's talking. Come here. Hey. Wait. He fell down. Come here. Hey, look out. Go back. Wait a minute. Silly guy. Look at this silly robot. Come here. What? Come here. He's running away. Silly. Come here. What? He's in record mode. Come here. He's running away. Go back. Go back. Come here. Turn left. Turn right. Can you dance? Can you dance? Music. Look at this silly robot. Come here. Look out for the camera. Go back. Go back.